Okay, final page, page 5 of our review, transformations of functions. So here you've got a graph of two functions, and you're asked to describe the transformation that goes on. So what you want to do here, you want to look at the points and figure out where they went to. Um, so if I look at that, what I mean is if I look at this point right here and this point, where did it go to in my new graph? This is where those 2 points landed. I don't have to use 2 points, I can use 1 point. So I can tell that what had to happen, so if I from F to G, so it looks like this point ended up at what, -7, -4, so that point ended up here. So what that means is that point moved to the left, so the left 2 and down 4, okay? It did not translate across the axis because the general shape is there. It's not been flipped, okay? So it looks like that's all that happened with this point, moved to the left 2. So it was not reflected. It moved to the left by 2, and it moved down by 4, okay? So that's all you need to do for this, is to identify what the translation happened. And the key there is to pick a point that you can easily identify in both graphs. So you could have looked at, this point, these 2 points here, and you would see the same thing in the graph. So if I look over here, this point went to what, 1, -4, it went to here. So that went left 2 and down, down 4. I picked it wrong. So, wait, did I do that right? Yeah, because if you look at it here, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, so left 2, down 4 was the translation that happened, and no reflection here.